Okay, now you should have received notification in your mailbox from DreamHost telling you that they've successfully installed WordPress, and you then should be set up here. You're sent to the admin, and this page is important. One, you put in the blog title and make sure that you either separate it if you want the word separated or not. Enter your primary email where you want all of the information concerning this site, and then don't forget to click on this box here that allows your blog to be found by the search engines. Otherwise we're kind of defeating the purpose. So make sure before you move on that everything's spelt correctly, and then simply click on install WordPress. Okay, so now we've logged in and we're in the back office or the dashboard of our site. Now there's a couple of things that I'd like to take a look at first of all. One, I don't like this particular color scheme on the back office, and maybe you don't either. So the first thing I do is change it. So you go to users, your profile, and then you'll see you've given another option for the color scheme. You've got the blue or the gray. So choose the blue, and update profile. Now you have this pretty blue color. Next thing is you've got the notice up here about the password. So if you want to go and change it to a password that you're more familiar with, then go and do that. Or if you've already changed it, fine, but if you're going to stick with the password that was sent to you, then just get rid of that. Now then, let's go and have a look at our site. So there it is. Now it may not look like much at the moment, but in the next few minutes we're going to change it into something very attractive indeed. First of all, it's the question of the theme. So let's head back, and you'll see down here appearance, and here you'll see that it's using the WordPress default, and that you've got the option of lots of other themes available here. And it's very simple. You just click on a theme and it'll show you what it's going to look like, and then if you like it, you just go up here and you activate it. Now the thing is that some of the themes are better suited to taking plugins and widgets and such than others, so you have to look around, see which one suits you best. But first of all, what I'd like to do is show you the theme that I use and I find works very well for my projects. So what you do is go to add new themes, and then up here in the search box punch in iBlog, and there you have it, iBlog 2. Let's take a quick look at it. And I'm just going to go ahead and install iBlog 2. Now the reason that I like iBlog is because, first of all, it's based on the Apple theme. Now, whether you use Apple or not, they have in recent years directly affected pretty much everyone's life, whether it be through the iPhone or the iPod, or if you use their computers. And they are directly connected with creativity and style and innovation. And if they decide that their website should look the way it does, then I see that as being a fairly good indicator that it's a good place for us to start. So I'm just going to activate it, and now we have it. So let's visit the site. It's very clean, it's very corporate, and it's very recently updated. That's one of the things that I would always advise you to do, is choose a theme that's been recently updated, because that way it can take all of the widgets and plugins and extras. If you find yourself using an older theme, it might not be able to take some of the additions that you want to add later on, and then you have to change your theme. So we've got the theme. Now there's a few things that we need to change. For example, this tagline here, and I'm going to show you how to make the first post, and also we're going to sort out this sidebar here where we're going to place the autoresponder. So very quickly, back to the dashboard, into settings, and you'll see here blog title, everything's fine there. Now you want to get rid of this just another WordPress blog, and basically you want to, again here, this is the second place that the search engines would look. So if you can incorporate keywords connected with what you do, summing up what you do, then you'll be on to a winner. We're just going to go with one of our key phrases at the moment, and then if you scroll down, there's a few things that you might want to change as well, but everything else is in order, so I'm just going to save that change. Now at this point, my advice to you is to become familiar with your dashboard and have a look around and see what there is. We're going to be looking at the plugins and the widgets in another video, but basically understanding your back office is going to make life a whole lot easier when you start getting active. And also, don't forget that there's an awful lot of help at wordpress.org and also at wordpress.com, where there's video tutorials, explanations, forums, all sorts of things which they do better than I'll do. So go and familiarize yourself with what they've got on offer, and I'll see you in another video where we'll sort out some of the ammunition that's going to arm us up to the teeth so we can go and storm into that battlefield that is the internet and make sure everyone knows we're there.